Good morning, Earth scientists, and happy Tuesday. As you can see, I'm not wearing a hat today, so that means I am back in the building. No more, well, my daughter has strep throat, so she is home today, but my wife is home with her today. So I get to come back to school. So, what are we working on today? It's Tuesday, it is October 11th, and pie, Earth pie. Let's take a look. We are going to be starting an activity called Earth Pie. I'll explain more about it here in just a second. It'll be a 2-day activity, and then we will get into our mapping. Now, it says large map. It's not a large activity, it's just a large map. Like physically, the map is large. And again, lesson review, page 199, is due on Friday. So I just want to do a quick, I'll do a recap talking about that lesson. In page 199, going through some of the expectations again. It is an expectation that you're doing the lesson in the textbook. It's super important because it fills in the gaps that we have in class. So, we'll talk about compositional layers, we'll talk about physical layers. However, the reading is going to help you understand like what physical properties, what compositional, what makes up those compositions of each one of the different layers, the ingredients per se. So it is important that you are reading those sections and going through that. And again, along with that, I realize people flip right to page 199 and just do it. I get it, but it is important that you do try to read, go through the section, and get some of that information. Like I said, that's what fills in the gaps. All right, then we're going to get study guides today. So we will get our study guide today. We all get study guides. We're just starting the new unit, so hey, let's get some study guides. Our goal, I can name and describe the different physical and compositional layers of Earth. That's what we are working on. We'll go through the answers for the anticipation guide. So we'll talk about that. So we'll go through those answers. We'll talk about the compositional layers of Earth and the physical 5. And then we have a do now question, compositional layers. And we'll take a look at what are those compositional layers. And then we'll get into Earth Pie. And we're just going to do some background work today. This worksheet will be posted right below the video here. And basically what we're looking at is coming up with our measurement, our scale, and then describing each one of the different layers. So we will do some describing of the different layers. So you can do this on a sheet of notebook paper. You can wait until you get here tomorrow and then get a worksheet, but have some idea of what's going on with each one of the different layers. And then we'll get into groups and we'll start working. So some things that you can be working on. There's a section on your study guide that we can work on, the lesson review that you can be working on, and finishing the worksheet. Those are all things that you can be doing today. All right. Have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. Take care.